I'm just gonna cut it up. So it is 24 hours later and the floor is dry, but the carpet still retains some moisture. So I'm just gonna cut it up. All right. So let's say your room floods or something. What's the first thing that you need to do? One, get it as dry as possible. And with that, at least for us, yesterday I was using this bad boy, or little boy. It's one of the smaller units from Bissell, I don't know. Let me know what the pronunciation is for the natives of that country, of that company's country, home country. Yeah, I might edit that part out. I don't know, but that did a great job. I'd rather not. You could use a vacuum cleaner, but you need to think about it. Is it built to handle wet situations? This is built specifically for cleaning carpet, so it's built for handling wet situations. I use that to mop up as much water as I could, and it has a little handy reservoir here that whenever it's full, there's a full mark right there. Whenever it reaches there, you have to pour it out because it won't suction anything anymore. If you do decide to, go the other route and you're cleaning your carpets, put your solution in here. This does not have a full mark, but put your solution in here, clean it up, and throw whatever comes out, whatever sucked up, away from there. Can't remember exactly where I bought it, but I'm gonna root around and put the link in the description. I used that to get up most of the water out of, well, as much as I could, off of the floor, out of these carpets, off of the floor in the laundry room, and whatever spilled into the hallway. Some of it did make it to the ground, the floor below, and a few drops in the basement. So I think homes are constructed that way. Water will seek its way down to the lowest level and not cause as much damage. Because imagine if this whole place was waterproofed, it would have leveled, like the water would have found its level all on this floor and would flow down the stairs. You don't really want that. So it makes sense, partially. Yeah, it makes sense. It'll go through the wall cavities and find its way down to whatever level it can seek. And I'm not too worried about it, but this home, all our homes essentially, for the greater part in the United States, it's made of wood. So wood is able to retain some moisture, and especially in situations like this, it's going to be able to absorb most of the water, or some of the water, and whatever wind or air is moving through your wall cavities is going to dry it up and take it back out into the attic or outside, whichever. So get as much of the water off the ground or off the floors, out of the carpets as possible. The fan is not in here. I think I left the fan in the laundry room. I'll show you. But put a fan on it. Let that blow for as long as you can. I let it blow for essentially 24 hours or so, or almost close, until these floors just appear the way that they do here. Let me show you. So right now, these are what the floors look like. It's dry, but you can see where the water was wicked up all the way there. If you look closely, you can tell. And this isn't really a sign of water damage. It's just, like you soak a piece of paper against what you will tell that outline. And in this case, it's gonna be dirty water, even though it's clean out of the washing machine. It picks up stuff while it travels on the floor. So it ended up looking like this. Leave a fan on it for it to dry as long as possible. Come back and assess if you don't cut out your carpets and stuff like that, if you don't cut that out and toss it immediately, come back and assess it after a day. Is it dry enough for you to be comfortable leaving it here in place? Or are you gonna rip it out and replace it with new carpet? Or are you gonna rip it out and replace it with a different flooring product? Maybe tile, maybe vinyl or LVP. I think that's luxury vinyl plank. Yeah. some sort of flooring material. You're gonna do that. That's your choice. Yeah, that should wrap it up. But whenever any of your levels floods, first thing to do is get as much of the water off the surface as possible. Leave the fan on it. It's gonna dry out some of the water, most of the water, especially the water that gets soaked into your wood structures, your wood pieces. And then come back and assess. So 3 easy steps to get you back on track after stuff happens from the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry room, anywhere that, is a water use area. So, sayonara guys, I need to get to cutting and figuring out what I want to do next with this. Either I'm probably gonna toss it, either that I'm gonna leave it outside, have it dry, and then bring it back in while I figure out what to do next. So you can watch me or watch my next video. And if you don't know me, my name is Cliff. I'm with Ovation Home Renovation. And if you like content like this, please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Share this video as much as possible, because that's how YouTube knows that you like this content and other folks might find it useful as well. So give it a thumbs up and leave a comment as well. I will reply. All right, thank you guys, and catch you on the next video.